Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to achieve this makeup look I am wearing right now in 5 minutes. This is my everyday makeup look. This is my makeup look I do when I probably should have left the house like 10 minutes ago. I need to hurry up, do my makeup, and leave. So there's not that many steps and it's super simple. If you guys are interested, just keep watching. But first, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you're notified every time I upload a video. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is applying foundation. When I am in a rush, I hate to say it, but I do tend to skip primer or anything like that, and I just go straight to foundation. And I'm just going to cover my whole face. Now I'm going to be going in with the Beauty Blender, and I'm going to be blending that all out. Now I am just going to be taking some concealer and I'm going to be just covering underneath my eye to cover the dark spots under my eye. And I'll put it on any like blemishes I have. And again, my Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to blend it all out. Now moving on to setting my face, I'm just going to be taking some setting translucent powder and I'm just going to be covering my face. Since I am in a hurry, I am not going to be baking or doing anything like that. I'm just going to be setting my face as fast as possible. Okay, so now I'm going to be moving on to bronzer. And since I am in a hurry, I am just going to be applying bronzer. I am not going to be cream contouring or anything like that. I'm just going to be applying the bronzer to my cheeks. A little bit on my jawline and blending it down on my neck. A little on my forehead. And then I'm just gonna take this same brush with excess bronzer and run it down my nose. Normally when I am in a rush, I do go in with this Baked blush. It is a blush, but it also is a highlighter, so it's kind of 2-in-1. And I'm just going to be applying it on my cheekbones. So this way you get 2 steps with 1 product. So now I'm ready for my eyebrows, and when I am doing my eyebrows in a hurry, I do use a brow pencil. I feel like using a brow pencil is much faster than using a pomade. So I am going to be going in with this e.l.f. brow pencil. You definitely don't even have to do your brows if you're in a hurry. I'm just doing a little bit to them because that's just what I like. You could totally skip this whole step. Now that my base makeup is done and my eyebrows are done, I am going to be moving on to my eyes. And for my eyes, I am going to be doing a little eyeshadow, so I am going to be using that same concealer and just putting it on my eyelids for a eyeshadow primer. And since I'm in a hurry, I'm just going to be taking the back of my beauty blender and blending that out. For my eyeshadow, I am going to be using this Juvia's Place, the Nudes palette. This is what the palette looks like. I think this palette is like perfect for doing a really fast, simple, but natural look. So I'm just going to be taking this darkest shade right here on a fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to be blending it all in the outer corner and crease of my eye. Now I am going to be taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm just going to be going in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to be taking very little of that shade so that I can just blend out the eyeshadow I just applied. I want to blend it out so there's no harsh lines. So now my eyeshadow is basically on and I'm ready to add some shimmer. So since I am in a hurry, I don't mess around and do a cut crease or anything like that. I'm just going to be taking my finger and I'm just going to be going in with the shimmer shadow right here, and I'm just going to be applying it on my lid. And it's super fast, but looks really good. So my eyeshadow is done, so I'm going to be moving on to lashes. And since this is a really quick look, I don't have time for eyelashes, so I'm just going to be curling my natural lashes and applying some mascara. So now I am just going to be setting my face. So the last thing I need to do is my lips, and when I am in a hurry, I don't use a lipstick or line my lips or anything like that. I'm just going to be going in with a regular lip gloss. Okay guys, that is all I have for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely hit that like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you did like this video and are interested in videos like this, I'm thinking maybe like a 10-minute version or like a 20-minute glam makeup tutorial, definitely comment down below and let me know. I'll see you in my next video.